and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a few crafts that you can do with your kids for Halloween decorations. Now these are indoor Halloween decorations because we're going to be using toilet paper rolls, some craft balls here. These pipe fitters is what we used to call them, but nowadays they call them fuzzy sticks. And googly eyes and things like that. And I say these are indoor because of course if you're in a state where it rains a lot or there's like extremely high winds, these toilet paper rolls are not going to last very long. So I'm just going to show you a few crafts that you can do with your kids for Halloween to decorate your house indoors. So let's get started. So the first craft we're going to work on is creating Frankenstein. Now I have pre-cut his hair. And basically all I did was I took this construction paper and I kind of zigzagged it a little bit. It's not perfect, but neither is Frankenstein. The way I got what I'm going to use for his mouth with these little zigzags, I used my pinching shears that have like the triangle blades. And I have some googly eyes here to use for his eyes, obviously, and felt that I pre-cut. So now I'm going to start with the fake hair and just kind of place it around at the top. And just kind of glue it. Now what I want to do is get some kind of ears going here, which I didn't pre-cut. So I'm just going to kind of create funny looking ear like so, and then another one. And there's our Frankenstein. He's not perfect, but that's okay. You can keep making more. Now we are going to create bats. Now for our bats, I have a little bat and a big bat that I'm going to be making. And I cut my own wings, as you can see here. And basically what I did was I folded the paper in half like so. And then I just kind of started from the crease or the fold, whatever you want to call it, and just kind of went up and down and up and down, and then wings. But that's just for show for me telling you how to do it. And we are about to create. I am going to use for this project construction paper. Now what you do is just measure like you did with felt for Frankenstein. I'm going to put a little mark here so I know where to cut it. And here we go. We have our big bat and our little bat. Okay, so for this one, we are going to create a type of ghost or mummy, whatever. So I cut some felt strips here, and you can also do this with fabric. I don't have any white scrap fabric right now, so I'm using white felt, and you can cut it thinner. It's totally up to you. So what I'm going to do is I am not going to glue this down as much as I did with the other things. And so I'm looking for a specific kind of look here. Okay, so now what I want to do is put the eyes to where they look kind of hidden up underneath the mummified wraps. Kind of like that. I'm just gonna kind of tuck that up underneath like that, and then do another one. And I'm not gonna give them a mouth, but there we go. That is our little mummy. So we have a mummy, Frankenstein, mama bat or daddy bat, and baby bat. And we made these all with toilet paper rolls. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty fun. This is something you could do with the kids, and they can hang these decorations all around the house. Okay, for our second and third craft, we will be using these foam balls, and I'm about to show you what we're going to do with them. So these are foam balls, 2-inch balls. I got these from Walmart. I bought these during Christmas time because I planned to use them for a Christmas craft, but I didn't do it. So now we're going to use them. I'll just make 2 of these for now. And I do have some scrap fabric here, which I thought I didn't have. I just found this. So we are going to use this to make hanging ghosts. And this is going to be the simpler project of all of them. So I'm just going to put my little ball in here like so. I'm just going to kind of hang this down like this. Wrap it around with some of this felt that I have here, just to kind of tie it up. And you can also use the little fuzzy sticks or a rubber band, whatever you have, or you can hot glue it. It's totally up to you. I'm going to try to tie that a little bit tighter just so I can make my ghost kind of flail out a little bit. So for the eyes, I'm just going to take the rest of this scrap piece of construction paper I have and make some eyes. Okay, so here we have it. Here's our ghost. And the great thing about these balls is you can put a little hook here, maybe like a safety pin, but don't staple it. I mean, a staple, and don't staple it all the way, and just put in there, or a post or something like that, and then you could just hang it. But what I'm going to do today, because I'll probably be hanging these somewhere where the kids can't get to it, so they won't be messing with it, I'm just going to go ahead and add a felt hook. Then just make a loop and then stick it to the back. So now you have a hook and you can hang it up. And here are our 2 little ghosts. So for this project, we are going to be making spiders. And since I made 2 of the other one, I'm going to make 2 of this. Now this, I thought I had some black felt, but I don't, so I'm going to use this gray. And it doesn't matter because it's my spider. I can make it purple if I want. So yeah, again, we're using the 2-inch foam balls that I got in a pack from Walmart. I'm using some scrap felt that I had left over from another project. Okay guys, so here is our one creepy spider, and I only used 6 legs, and I'll probably only use 6 legs for the next one, but I'm just going to show you really quickly how I put the legs on now. This being exposed actually helped out a great deal because I could stick the fuzzy sticks or pipe fitters, whatever you want to call them, in there and then just put glue around the fabric and hold it down. And that will keep that leg secure. You want to make sure you are putting the legs to where the eyeballs will be shown in the right spot. I'm just going to put a couple of more legs on. This little spider's hot glue is driving me insane today. But yeah. Okay, so you got these 2 legs. I'm going to bend it like so. So these will be kind of the back legs. Then you can spread them out, but I kind of want to wait until the glue dries before I do anything else to it. There we go. We got them standing. So these are our easy Halloween crafts for kids, adults, whatever. We got our bats, baby bat, Frankenstein here. So here are our Halloween kid-friendly decorations we made with toilet paper rolls, scrap fabric, construction paper, foam balls, and pipe fitters or fuzzy sticks. And they are so easy and simple to make, and kids are going to love them. So make sure you like this video, guys. Give it a big old thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I make videos 3 times a week when I can. Make sure you check out my Instagram because that's where everything will be as far as updates and anything else that's going on this channel. And I will see you guys next time.